Make viral YouTube Shorts with this one tool for your Faceless YouTube channel. Shorts.AI offers multiple short story video templates, making content creation faster and easier than ever. Start by selecting the perfect script template according to your story. Choose your preferred language from the options. Add a starting hook to engage your audience, and similarly add a custom ending. Now choose the video duration from these options and hit generate. You can edit any part of the script. Once you're satisfied, press Next. Now choose a caption font and style for the video. I'll select this one. Carefully review multiple voiceovers from this list as it has a big impact on viewer retention. Select the perfect voice for your video and then pair it with a fitting background music theme. Once everything's finalized, hit Generate Video. I will fast forward the video generation process to show you the final result.
Imagine living in a hidden valley shrouded by fog, the once mighty empire of Coralia thrived. Founded millennia ago, Coralia dazzled.
To generate a video with your own script, select Custom Script from the top. This is where you'll need to add your video script. As you can see, I've added some facts about the Bermuda Triangle. Now go through the whole process as shown previously by selecting captions, voiceovers, and a suitable background music theme. This time the video will be generated with your script. Here it is.
The Bermuda Triangle, a loosely defined area between Bermuda, Florida, and Puerto Rico, has captivated imaginations with tales of mysterious disappearances. While legend attributes these events to supernatural forces,
just imagine the endless amount of content you can now create with this tool, from educational videos to captivating historical events. Plus, it's pretty easy to use. But that's not all. This tool also includes a fake text generator and a Reddit story generator, where you can create realistic conversations and turn trending Reddit threads into captivating videos. First, select a background for your fake text video. Now add text in the message box that you want the sender to send and the receiver to reply with. If you want to add more messages to the conversation, select the plus icon. You can also let AI write the script for you by describing the video concept here. Press Next and choose the messaging theme. I'll pick this one. Add different voices to both the characters and add music. Now press Generate.
Hey, I'm outside. Open the door.
Bro, I'm not home. Whose door are you at?
Wait, what? This isn't 456 Maple Street?
No, it's 654 Maple Street.
Oh no.
The process for creating a Reddit story video is quite similar. Start by selecting a background that suits the mood of the story. Next, add the Reddit post description and craft a compelling script. You can use any real-life story or even upload a Reddit or TikTok script. Then choose a voiceover that matches the tone of the story, and let's see the final result.
The day I found out my neighbor was a secret superhero. It all started on a quiet Tuesday afternoon. I had just moved into my new apartment and was still adjusting to the new neighborhood.
So now level up your content creation with Shorts.AI, whether you're crafting faceless YouTube shorts or viral TikToks. This tool makes it easier than ever to produce high-quality, engaging content in no time. I'll see you again with another AI tool.
Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Think AI Verse, for all the latest and exciting content related to AI.